Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the language in your Gmail account here. So all you have to do, just simply click the settings gear in the upper right hand side as you can see here, and click on see all settings. Now this is going to open up your general settings, and as you can see, the first option at the top there, it says Gmail display language, right? So all you have to do, click down that drop down here and select from the many options as you can see. So let's say I want to change it to Espanol or Spanish, I can do so, and then just simply scroll all the way down and click on save changes. And you'll realize that it now changes into Spanish. As you can see here, it's changed, and if you go back into your settings as well, you can see everywhere that it is in Spanish. So that's how you can easily do it, guys. And if you want to go back and change it afterwards, you can always go back and do so. So that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you change the language in your Gmail account. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.